Hello children, very good morning. Welcome to EVS class. How are you all? All are fit and fine? Okay. So children, in the previous class, what we learned? So children, in the previous class, we learned respecting different. Is it? Yes. So in the yesterday's class, we learned respecting difference. Is it? Yes. And we learned keeping organized. We learned. Is it? So children, today's class, we learn a new lesson. Sharing is caring. So today's class, we are learning a new lesson. Sharing and is caring. Sharing is caring. Okay. So sharing and caring means what we have, no? So we have to share with our friends and with our family, with our brothers and sisters. In the house, we have to share with our brother and with our sister. We have to share our things and we have to care them. Okay, we have to care them. So caring means kalaji. Is it? So in the Kannada, we will say kalaji. Kalaji. Is it? So caring is kalaji. So children, here are the pictures. Here 3 pictures are there. See, first picture, the boy and girl, they are sharing their books. It is only one book it is there. And they are sharing each other's. Is it? Yes. So when you will come to school, no, you have to share with your things with your friends. You have to share your things with your friends. So if they don't have pencil, you have to give them. You have to share. You have to take care them. Okay? Sharing is a caring. Is it? So you have to share your things. It's a caring. Okay, second picture, see. The boy and girl is playing. Only one toy is there. Is it? Yes. They are sharing and they are playing, no? Yes. So third picture, the boy has 2 apples. The boys have 2 apples. So he is giving to his friend. So he is giving her friend. So see, otherwise the boy is giving to her sister. He is sharing a apple with her friend sister. Yes. Is it? Yes. So this is a sharing is a caring. Okay. So here what they had said. What do you see? What do you see here? Sharing things. Is it? Sharing things, no? Yes. Look and talk about it. So already I explained the pictures. Already I talk about it. Is it? So you also children, you had to talk about these 3 pictures. What they had doing, what you are seeing. So you had to know it. Okay? Okay. Next is a turn the page. See here the activity. Sharing is a caring. Tick the things you can share with your friends. So which things you will share with your friends? So that you have to do the right mark. So you have to tick it. Okay? Yes. So you will share with your friend toys when they will come to your house. Yes, we will give our toys to play and with them we will play. Is it? Yes. So next picture, crayons. Is it? Yes. So crayons you will give to your friend when they did not brought the crayons to color the class. Then you will give the crayons to color. Yes. And you will give to brush them? No, it is ourselves. will not share the brush. And next, we will share the tiffin. Yes. What they brought, we will eat, and what we brought, so we will give them. This is a sharing. Pencil, we will share the pencil. Yes. Chocolates, yes, we will share it. And napkin we will share? No, we not share the napkin. Books, books we will share? Yes. So we will share the books. Eraser, eraser you will share with your friends? Yes, when they don't have eraser, when they not brought eraser, we will give them. Is it? Yes. So we'll tick here which things we will share. No, that the will things will tick it. So toys will tick, will share it. Is it? So tick the toys. Crayons we will share? Yes. So then you take the crayons picture also. We will share brush? No. We will brush the, we will share the tiffin? Yes. So tick here. We will share the pencil? Yes. We will share the chocolates? Yes. We will share the napkin? No. We will share the books? Yes. We will share the eraser? Yes. So these things will we will share with our friends. Is it? So this is a sharing things. Okay. Okay, next fun time. Fun time. So children, fun time means you have to color it. Sharing is fun. So this is only one book you are sharing with your friends. Is it? See. So these are your friends and you are sharing your book with your friends. So this is a homework, coloring. Okay. Take your parents' help and you have to color it neatly. Okay. So this is a homework. Okay. Next, turn the page. See. Here are the problems. See, here they had given the pictures. One picture is missing. So this is a incomplete picture. Is it? Yes. This is a problem, no? So we had to solve it. So here the pictures, full picture is there, one picture is missing. So here three pictures are given down. So which picture is the correct picture is missed? That puzzle is you have to match it. Otherwise you have to tick it. Okay. Tick the missing piece of solve the puzzle. So we had to complete the puzzle. We had to solve the puzzle. So here is the picture. So can you just to imagine and try it and see? It will match here? No. Already this part is here. Is it? Yes. And see, this picture is a part. Can you see here? Yes. Can you see the legs here? Can you see legs? No. Only toes can see. And the fingers are here can see. Okay. Next. Here. This picture we can see here. Yes. Can you see a face? Yes. So in this, which one is correct? See. This already it is there. And this also face also it is there. So which one is missing? Second picture will put here means it will be complete. Is it? Yes. So take the second picture here. This will complete here means the puzzle will be complete. Is it? Remember, every problem has a solution. So all the problems are solution. So we had to search it. We had to see it. What the problem we see, then we have to think it and we have to solve the problem and we have to search the solution. Okay. So this problem solving. So we done these puzzles solve. Is it? Yes. So here children, one more problem is there. Okay, you have to solve it. So these are the problems and these are the solution. So you have to match it. Correct picture, you have to match it. So this boy is not well. When you will sick, when you are not well, when you are sick, where you will go? See, first picture is a robber, second picture doctor, and third picture is a washing machine. So where you will go? Which solution you will choose? Doctor. Is it? You will go hospital to show doctor. So match it, first picture to second picture, doctor. Match it. Yes. Okay, next see second picture. The girl dress is dirty. So what solution we have to do? We have to wash our clothes. Is it? Yes. So which one is the C? We'll go to clobber to give the wash? No. And to will wash in the machine? Washing machine? Yes. So match the washing machine picture. Okay, very good. Okay, next. Our shoes will be torn. Okay. So broke. So which solution you will choose? Where you will go? We will give to cobber to make a shoe. Is it? So match it, shoe to cobber picture. Okay. So this is a solution, problem and solution. So we done in the classwork. Is it? Yes. So children, so what we done in the today's class? No, you had to discuss about this. Okay, and you have to do the homework this. Okay, coloring. You have to complete this color and you have to send to my WhatsApp number. Okay, thank you. Have a good day.